Hello everyone, welcome back to our video. So today we are going to learn about how to update our Chrome app on our Android devices. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So like any other app, it must be updated accordingly. So to update it, first of all, we need to go in our Play Store and click on the profile icon shown in the right hand side of the screen. Now simply you need to click on the update available. There, if you find Google Chrome's update is available, you need to go and search for Google Chrome on the Play Store. Then simply you need to click on the update option. Now as you click on the update option, it will start to re-download your Google Chrome app. Once the download process is over, it will start installing in your mobile phone. Now you will have the latest version and the updated version of Google Chrome app. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.